Here I'm cutting the 2x6s for the bench top and for the legs as well. Here I'm doing my glue up for the legs. And this will sit overnight. Now I'm going to sand down the 2x6s and get them ready for glue up. I'm going to figure out my orientation and mark out for the dominoes. Here I'm trimming the legs, and what I'm doing is shaving the sides, and I will cut the legs to size and thickness later on in the video that you'll see. Here I am just cutting the length that I need. Now I'm gluing up the bench seat top, and I'm going to glue my dominoes in first on one side, then on the other board I will glue right across, and also for the dominoes on that side as well. And this will sit overnight. Here I'm cutting the legs in half and trimming off the other side to the thickness that I need. Now I'm going to mark out all four corners on where the legs go. Then I will measure out for my runners and my braces on the sides as well. Here I am cutting for my rails, and these are going to be 2 5/8 thick. I'm going to drill pocket holes for the top, rails, and for the bottom braces I'm going to use dominoes. And here I am marking out the braces on the bottom of the bench on where the dominoes are going to go. And the reason for using dominoes here is so you don't see the screw holes. Now I'm going to start the assembly of the frame. And I will screw one brace at the top and glue the other domino at the bottom. Then I will clamp it and leave it clamped for about 6 hours. And here I'm going to screw in the top rails. I positioned it on the seat top, and I'm just going to use pocket hole screws to screw the frame down. Now that it's complete, I'll give it a last sand. And now I'm going to stain. I'm using Early American stain. I will put one coat on, let it dry for about 4 hours. Before I put the sand and sealer on. Here I'm going to spray a Gemini sand and sealer, and then in 20 minutes I will give it a light sand with 220 sandpaper. Now I'm going to spray 3 coats of pre-cat lacquer, and I will do a coat every 15 to 20 minutes. Now that it is dried, I'm going to mark centers on all 4 posts, and I'm going to drill a 1 1/4 inch hole for a leveler. Now the levelers will be countersunk. If they need to be used, you just back them out. If you don't, you just leave them flush with the feet. And this is the finished product. This is part 2 of the build. There is a part 3, which is the 2 chairs. If you haven't seen the first part, I suggest you click that at the end of this video. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I will see you on the next vid. Thanks for watching.